Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Wen. Here is the question. If x is positive, we want to find the minimum value of this function, x squared minus x plus 1 over x. Now, how to solve this kind of problem in general? Let's discuss the method first, then discuss how to get the idea. Let's consider x minus 1 squared, which is x squared minus 2x plus 1. This is related to the x squared and x term. Now, consider next square term. Square root of x minus 1 over square root of x, then square. The first item square, that's x. Second item, that's minus 2 times first one times second one. So this 2 cancel, you have 2 there. The last one square, that's 1 over x. Now here, we have 1 over x here to match this one. Why do we want to do this? Now consider the sum of those two. Left-hand side, sum of squares equals the right-hand side. We have x squared here and negative 2x, x, we have 1x. Then we have negative 1 here. Negative 2, positive 1, that's a negative 1. Then we have 1 over x here. If this looks like this one, yes, only difference is what? Minus 1. If we add minus 1 here, it will become sum of 2 squares. So here, we can minus 1 here, then plus 1 to cancel each other. So what is this part inside the part? That's the sum of 2 squares. So we rewrite inside the part as a sum of 2 squares plus 1. Carry to the next page. So here. Now, look at this is a square. This is a square. What's the possible minimum value for a square? 0. Cannot be negative. So the minimum value for this is 0. Minimum value for this is 0. So both numbers are non-negative. So 1 plus 2 non-negative numbers, at least that's the same number, bigger than or equal to 1. This implies the minimum value of this function at least is 1. If we can prove for some x value it is 1, so that means the minimum value of this function is 1. So here, look at this. At what kind of situation inside the part that's 0? X equals 1. If x equals 1 here, that's 1 over 1. That's also 1 minus 1 is 0. So if x equals 1, these 2 squares equal 0. Then we have left-hand side equals 1. Because the minimum value of this at least 1. Now, when x equals 1, this is the minimum value is 1. So this implies the minimum value of this is 1. In general, it is bigger than or equal to 1. But for particular x value here, x equals 1, it has a 1 as its value. So here, that's the answer. Thanks for watching and see you next time.